Hello and welcome back. My name is Jeremy, and today I'm going to keep this video a little bit short. Today we're going to be talking about the if statements. Also, sometimes they're called conditional statements. These will evaluate something that will result in something true or something being false. And the best way to really go about this is just going to give you an example of what I'm talking about. So I have a blank file here called if.php. We'll go ahead and put in our PHP tags. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare two numbers just to make it simple. So I'm going to have a variable called num1. I'm going to have that equal 10 because it's easy. Then I'm going to have another variable called num2. I'm going to have this num2, which is equal to 12. And here, how we're going to do this is going to start off real simple with an if, two parentheses. Okay, within this parenthesis, this is where we're going to see if something is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or if something is equal to something else. So let's go ahead and start off with the less than one first. So we'll say if num1 is less than num2, then we're going to print to the screen, or echo to the screen, hi. Okay, we'll save this, go to our page, and we'll hit refresh. And what I said is 10 less than 12 echo high. Well, 10 is less than 12, so that worked just fine. So let's look at the next one. So less than symbol, we're going to do the greater than symbol. Greater than, we're going to say by. Okay, so we got if 10 is greater than 12. We get nothing to the screen. Well, of course, 10 is not greater than 12. Alright, the next one is the less than or equal to symbol. So here we can do less than or equal to, so 10 less than or equal to 12. And we'll say good. We'll save that. We'll refresh. And it is. 10 is less than or equal to 12. Well, let's do the greater than symbol. Is 10 greater than or equal to 12? And for this one, we're going to say nope. And refresh. And we get nothing comes to the screen because 10 is not greater than or equal to 12 at all. And the last one I wanted to show was the equals. And we're saying, does 10 equal 12? Here we're going to print out, say no way. Save that. Then refresh. Of course, nothing shows up because 10 does not equal 12. Also, you cannot use just a single equals because that's an assignment. So we'd actually be assigning 12, or this variable 12 to this variable, which is 10 to 12 as well. To show you that the equals does work, we'll call this num1. We'll save it, and we'll say we equal. Save it, and refresh, and we equal. So 10 does equal 10. I hope this gets you a little bit started in the if statements. Next time I'll be covering the if else. Also remember to subscribe, like the video, write comments. Guys, have a great one. See you later. Bye.